If your Google Home just sits there and won't connect, don't panic. Fixing Wi-Fi issues is easier than you think. Let's walk through it together. First, check if your Wi-Fi is working on another device, like your phone or laptop. If it's not, try restarting your router by unplugging it, waiting 10 seconds, and plugging it back in. Next, open the Google Home app on your phone. Tap your device, then tap the gear icon for settings. Scroll down and tap Wi-Fi. If you see "Forget this network," tap it, then reconnect to your Wi-Fi by entering your password. Still not working? Try moving your Google Home closer to your Wi-Fi router. Thick walls or too much distance can weaken the signal. If nothing helps, reset your Google Home. Hold the reset button on your device for about 10 seconds until you hear a sound. Set it up again in the Google Home app. Most issues can be fixed with these steps. Now your Google Home should be back online, ready to help you out. If not, check Google's support site for more help. Good luck.